Hey there guys, today I'm going to talk about buying versus renting. Um, my advice for buying versus renting a property. So look, should you buy where you live or rent where you live? It depends. So if you are buying an entry-level home, generally on entry-level homes the rent is a lot better. Check with your agent where you live, but this is the general trend around the world. So let's say if you're buying an entry-level home, you'll get an 8% return. Where I stay in South Africa, you get an 8% return in rental income on an entry-level home. So if you're staying in an entry-level home, then buy where you stay. But if you're staying in a luxury home, if you want to live in a luxury home, rather rent a luxury home and buy multiple investment properties. And what you'll find will happen is the investment properties will pay more than the rent on your luxury property. They'll probably increase in value more because there's more demand for entry-level homes, and depending on location and all that. And yeah, so basically that's what I would do if I'm buying a luxury home. I hope that helps. And then another side note, if you want to make moves in property, it's probably better to rent where you stay, even if it is an entry-level home, so that you can reserve your buying power for flipping houses or buying investments and selling and profiting. If all your buying power is tied up, or your credit buying power is tied up in your primary home, you're stuck. You can't make any moves or any investments. And then one other side note, a lot of people like to buy second homes. I think it's a terrible idea to buy a second home, luxury getaway home. Rather buy investment properties and let that rental income pay for your holidays. You can travel around the world, stay in the best hotels, and that rental income will pay for your hotels and your travels around the world, and then you pay off those homes rather, and your cash flow pays for your extravagant holidays. How awesome is that, man? Why wouldn't you prefer that to staying in your little luxury, to having one place to go to every year? You head out to the same place and your family does the same things and they get bored. Instead, why wouldn't you rather see new places, travel around the world, go to a different location, create new memories all the time? So that's my advice on buying versus renting, and buying versus renting where you live, and buying versus renting on getting away. Hope that helps, guys. Please like and subscribe. Comment below what your opinion is. Do you buy or rent where you live? Say buy or rent in the comments below. Thanks so much.